This Weldac 03 is a state-of-the-art welder. But don't let the size fool you, because the welder performs to the highest quality, to the highest standards, even in this compact design. Weldac 03 is the smallest welder in our Weldac family, about 40% smaller than our Weldac 04. Okay? This welder is available from 50 kilowatts up to 150 kilowatts, either a 300 kilohertz range or a 400 kilohertz range. For many, many years, NREX has been the leader of the high power welders. So we started to develop what we call a single cabinet design. And with the new SiC inverter technology module that we have developed, we have done something astonishing. We have actually increased the efficiency of the inverter module itself to above 99.4%, which means that we actually can run this welder in such a small, compact design. The customers, they're constantly running, so they can't be down. So uptime is key, because if you can think that the installation is very, very quick, that is key, because the downtime is reduced to a minimum by using this new welder that is so small and compact, so it basically fits right in to the space available. With this Weldac 03, they will get a very user-friendly machine, a welder with the highest efficiency, high uptime, and they will also get the welder with the highest quality. We have done a lot of innovation using the SiC technology to give our customers the best possible product available in the market. This is something that we have, like I said, developed over many, many years. That is what allows us to make a very compact and small welder without compromising on power or performance. This is what NREX is all about.